girl is back. She is back and she is better than ever. Riri trying to be in my video. Yeah, just kidding. That's my girl right there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Annette here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this fuchsia hot pink hair. So if you want to learn how to do this, keep on watching the video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we are on the road to 1K subbies. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for the hair dyes, I just bought 2 pink blush and then 2 pink rose from the Adore brand. Here is the packaging the wig came in. I got this wig from Amazon. It is their 613 T-part wig. I think I got this in 18 or 20 inches, but I will put the link down below. This is what the wig looks like. This wig came with a natural wave to it. Also came with 2 wig caps and a couple other accessories, so that will be included in the bag. Sorry if I sound a little off. I do have a cold right now, so that's why my nose might sound like a little stuffed. Before I start dyeing the wig, I'm just gonna spray the lace and the cap with this Got To Be Glue spray. This prevents the dye from seeping through, so I'm just spraying this all over. Now I'm just about to put these gloves on so I can start dyeing the hair. You can really use any container. It doesn't really stain and it washes off very easily. I'm just going in with the pink rose and I'm pouring that into the tub. At one point, I couldn't really get all the dye out, so I would put the dye container into the water and kind of shake it around, and then it'd get like the excess out. Yeah, I'm just using the whole bottle of the pink rose. Ended up using all 4 bottles so that the dye can really get into the hair and dye all the hair to the color I wanted. So yeah, I'm just putting the whole wig into the water now. I just started by putting like the bottom into it and then worked my way up. And this is now the color of the wig. This is how the color is showing up on the 613 hair. Also, don't be afraid to put it into the solution. I promise it will not stain this wig's lace. So I think I kept it in the hair dye for about 10 to 15 minutes or 20 to be on the safe side, but yeah, it did the job. Now I'm just taking my Aussie Moist Miracle conditioner and shampoo and rinsing out all the hair dye. So this is what the hair looks like freshly washed. I'm just about to blow dry it and straighten it. Here you can see that I'm just brushing it and blow drying it so it dries a little faster. This process probably took like 20 minutes, I'd say, or 30 minutes to get it fully dry. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed with this color. It's exactly what I was going for, like an electric pink type, like fuchsia color. So yeah, it turned out perfect. Okay, so this is how the wig looks fully dry. Looks very frizzy, but we're about to straighten it. Okay, so I finally have the wig laid onto my head. I already did my edges too, just because I didn't want the video to be too long. They're low-key lifting up, but it's okay. This is how the hair looks on me. I honestly love how the color turned out. Like, this is literally what I was going for and the vision. So I'm in love. It's like a fuchsia type lava girl, like a neon pink. The dye held up really well. This is a T-part wig, so anything below like right here is all the other parts of the wig, so that is why I'm wearing it in the middle part. I'm just about to style it for you. I forgot to put lip gloss on. Back with my lip gloss. This is a brand new lip gloss. Hopefully I don't lose it. I literally lost all my other ones when I got to campus, so I'm gonna try and keep this one. That looks so much better. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm gonna leave the wig in a middle part and I'm just gonna style it for you guys. I don't know if I want to curl it or straighten it, but I'm just gonna start off by straightening the wig first and then seeing if I want to like curl the ends or like add a little something to it. I just have my straightener right here. I think I'm gonna use my bigger one for the first run through just because it'll get like all the pieces of the hair and then I can go in with the tinier one. I'm about to turn on this and put it on, I think I'm gonna put it on like 380, 400, something like that. And y'all, I've literally had this straightener for so long and it has never failed me. This is, I think it's the ceramic Remington straightener. I don't know which one, but if you type that into Google or like Amazon or anything, it should pop up. This is the holy grail to straightening your wigs, y'all. I heard the beep, so this is ready to use. I'm just gonna kind of hurry up and straighten my hair, low-key in a rush, because I need to go work out with my friends and then go eat some dinner. So I'm just gonna kind of hurry up and go through it. Guys, I've literally only ran through my hair a couple times and look how much straighter it is. Like, I'm telling y'all. Okay, this side is like done for real. I'm gonna get the back pieces again. Oh, y'all, I love this hair on me. I low-key like it wavy better, so we're just gonna curl it. We're gonna curl it after this. And then brush out the curls and have like some loose, flowy beach curls or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Period. She can rock it straight or she can rock it wavy. Okay, so we're gonna do a little chit chat, little catch up. First off, I just want to start by saying thank you to all my supporters. I know I haven't been posting a lot. I haven't been consistent. I just haven't had the motivation to post really, but I am back and I am better and I'm definitely going to try and post like every week or every other week. I am back on campus, so it's a little harder to actually post on YouTube consistently just because I have to do like so much work. I'm also working on campus, so it's just a lot right now. I'm really gonna try and balance out my schedule so I can really do this YouTube thing because your girl needs money. Your girl's trying to make it, like, yeah, but that is where we are right now. As I was saying, thank you guys for your support. Thank you for constantly like liking my videos, subscribing to me. We are literally almost at 700 subbies. I just can't. We're literally almost at 700 subbies and I started from 0. Like, I'm still so shook and I can't wait to reach 1,000 subs. We are on the road to 1K subscribers, so I'm just really excited for that and I really hope to make it to 1K by the end of the year. I know that God is gonna let it happen, so I'm not even worried, but like, yeah, little update. Life has been it's not bad, but it's not the best, but I'm kind of just going through the motions. I feel good right now. Like, I try to make every day what it is, if that makes sense. Okay, so I think I'm done with this side. I'm just gonna move on to this side of my hair. Hey y'all, so I just have to tell you this. I started recording this video like at the beginning of this year when it was still spring semester. I know, slacker, yeah. But yeah, I started recording this during spring semester. It was the day before I was going to ATL. When I went to wash this out in the campus showers, the hair dye literally went everywhere. Like, it stained the curtains, stained the bottom of the shower, it stained the walls, and I was literally freaking out so much. But the dye ended up coming out, so just be cautious not to be like careless and really messy when rinsing out the hair dye. I made that mistake and I was literally scrubbing that shower for like an hour. I thought it was gonna stain, so I'm just happy it came out because baby, we don't have money to be paying for that. But yeah, I got it out the showers eventually. So just be cautious when you're rinsing out the dye, but don't be scared because it does come out of clothes. Almost done with this side. How are we looking? I'm also going to go in with my curling wand on the top and like sort of flatten it out because it does look bumpy and I don't like it looking like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this side. Hot, 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 hot. That was really hot. Why you cannot be rushing this flat ironing process because you will burn yourself if you're not careful. And this is very hot. I need a glove. I need a glove. I did freckles on my makeup today and I'm really feeling it. Like I feel like it looks so adorable. If y'all want a tutorial, just comment down below and I will be glad to do one. Period. I look like a babby. I look like a babby. But y'all, I have so much planned for this channel. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be doing a lot of like self-care videos. I want to do a room tour because I did just move into my new apartment, so I really want to get that done. I'm just gonna be doing a lot of stuff and I can't wait to share it with you guys. You guys are gonna love the content. I'm really just gonna be on my A game. I think my hair is straight enough. So I just finished with the big flat iron and now I'm gonna go in with my small one. I got this from Marshall's recently and it works really, really well. It's a ceramic flat iron also. I'll try and like find the brand on Amazon and link it down below. I actually really like this one. I'm just gonna go in and straighten like the ends because I didn't really get them. This wig is like a decent length, not too bad. I think I got this in the 20 inch and it looks good. Like it's full and there's minimal shedding. Ooh, y'all weren't supposed to see that. Let's pretend we didn't see that stain. I don't know what it is. I think it was food or something from earlier, but yeah. Let's pretend we didn't see that. Okay, we are done with this. Now I'm gonna go in with my curling wand and flatten the top. It's hot. I forget where I got this. I think I got this from Drug Mart. Yeah, I was in a rush. I just needed something before I got on campus, so. And that's our motherfucking period. Like it literally looks so good, so good. I'm gonna go in with my Lotta Body Milk Honey Mousse and just put that on the top of my head so it's slick and all the little flyaways, little hairs, split ends are down. Okay, so this is one of the looks. Here's the finished look for the straight hair. Period. So cute. Now I'm going to curl the ends because I feel like it'll look better and have more volume. I'm just gonna quickly curl this. Nothing fancy. Just the old curl. Perfect. I'm gonna curl the rest off camera and then I'll be back when it is finished. Okay, so I'm finally done curling the hair and this is the finished look. I'm literally obsessed. It looks good curly or straight. The hair held up really well. Comment down below what videos you think I should do next or what videos you want to see from me. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. On the road to 1K subscribers, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. We have a little bit of flyaways, but it's okay. It's okay. But can we just get into this whole look? Are you dumb? We're done shooting. My window's literally open so they can see everything I'm doing. Let me calm down.